Hello students, this video is regarding the reduced syllabus of class 11 chemistry of ISC board. Okay, now please mark these reduced topics in your book so that to avoid any problem or any type of confusion in your syllabus. They are not coming in the theory exam only, and rest this is not for the competition exams. They all are coming in the competition exams, but if we talk about the ISC board theory exam, so they are not coming in the theory exam only. Okay, from this chapter number 1, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. These topics are reduced, that is precision and accuracy, quantities and their measurements in the chemistry, significant figures, SI units, dimension analysis, conversion of units, numerical and applications of units, atomic spectra, that is atomic isotopic masses and the molecular masses, and rest of these topics are there. Numerical problems based on the mole concept, Avogadro number and gram molecular volume, empirical and molecular formulas, numericals based on the above, yani ki numericals based on the empirical and the molecular formulas, their chemical reactions, stoichiometries, calculations, mass relationships. Basically the whole mole concept they deleted. They reduced actually these topics because you already did these topics in your class 10 chemistry. Okay, understand this thing. Now if we move on to chapter number 2, that is the structure of atom. So in the structure of atom, the decreased discovery of fundamental particles, that is electron, proton and neutron, they are just the theories there. Atomic number, that you already know. Isotopes, that you already know. Isobars, that also you know. Thomson model and its limitations, Rutherford experiment model and its limitations, dual nature of the matter and the light, and the subatomic particles and their studies about the Chadwick experiment and discoveries and their Rutherford nuclear model and all the electromagnetic wave theory and its limitations, black body radiations, photoelectric effect, Planck's quantum theory, numericals based on the Planck's quantum theory. Actually these are the topics now somehow you did in your class 9, class 10 and class in the physics also. So it's okay if they decrease from the chemistry just because of this pandemic situation. So please mark these topics in your book to cross them to avoid any type of confusion at the time of exam. Okay, now if we move on to chapter number 3, this is a very important chapter just because all the inorganic chemistry depends on this chapter. So they decrease only the Mendeleev's periodic table, defects in the Mendeleev periodic table, and advantage and disadvantage of the Mendeleev's periodic table, and rest of all the topics were intact in the classification of elements in the periodicity and properties. सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये टॉपिक यहाँ से डिक्रीज हुआ है. I hope this is clear. Now moving on to chapter number 4, that is chemical bonding and molecular structure. In the chemical bonding and molecular structure, again this is very important chapter. Only the calculations of lattice enthalpy, that is the Born-Haber cycle, because this Born-Haber cycle next coming in the another chapter, that is your thermodynamics. So no need to worry for this Born-Haber cycle, it is coming again. And next topic is the resonance, and resonance topic again coming in the organic chemistry. So it's okay. That's fine if it is decreased from here. Okay, now moving on the next chapter, that is states of matter, gases and liquids. In this chapter, states of matter, gases and liquids, rest of the topic will remain the same but few were decreased. Like the postulates of kinetic theory must be discussed to explain the gas laws. All the postulates of the kinetic theory, concept of average and root mean square and most probable velocities, their numerical problems and known ideal behavior of the gases, deviation from the ideal gas equations and the rest of the things. In the liquid state, they decrease the vapor pressure, viscosity, surface tension, qualitative idea only, and no mathematical derivation for that. They decrease these topics. Okay, that's a huge decrement in the chapter, that is the states of matter, gases and liquids only. They are not including the solid matter state because solid is coming in the class 12, first chapter of the solid state. Now if we talk about the chemical thermodynamics, again it is in a very important chapter. So they decrease only one topic from this chapter, that is the relationship between CV and CP, and internal energy change, relationship between the CP and CV. Okay, so they decrease only this one topic. So please cut down this topic from your or you can mark the topic from in your book. Now moving on the next chapter, that is the chapter number 7, that is equilibrium. In the chapter equilibrium, there is no any change. All the topics will remain intact because this is a very important chapter on the behalf of your syllabus as well theory paper as well as the competition syllabus. So please mark these topics. Okay, now moving on the next chapter number 8, that is the redox reactions. So again there is no change in the chapter redox reactions, all the topics were intact. If we move on chapter number 9, that is hydrogen. In the chapter number 9, only one topic, that is the hydrides, ionic, covalent and interstitial hydrides is decreased. Rest of the topic will remains the same, no change in them. Now moving on to chapter number 10, that is the S block elements, alkali and alkaline earth metals. Yes, there is a huge change in this S block and P block elements, but most of the topics or most of the compound formations and their uses are decreased from this chapter. Only the basic topics will remain there. Same is happen in the class 12. Same, they decrease the topics from class 12 also. And there, here you see all the topics were decreased. Few were left only. That are the basic ones. So no need to worry. Yeah, this is a big reduction for you people, just because these chapters are big chapters in the class 11 chemistry syllabus. They require more time. They require more cramming. They require more learning power. So it is, yes, they reduce these topics. Now next is organic chemistry. That is some basic principles and techniques of organic chemistry. So this is the basic chapter of organic chemistry, and by gaining these informations you can these are very much important to compile or to do the organic chemistry portion in class 12. That is a big portion in class 12 and very scoring portion also. So decrease only the methods of purifications, and in terms of fission of bonds, formation of new bonds, including SN1, SN2, E1 and E2 mechanisms, explain with the relevant examples and conditions. Yeah, these mechanisms are very important, but you can perform these mechanisms again in class 12. So no worry for that. Like if you did not do these did these in class 11, so don't worry, they are coming again in class 12. Same in class 12. Vital force theory, reason for the separate study of the organic chemistry, its importance and characteristics of the carbon and tetravalency. There are very simple things that you already know. Vital force theory you know in class 10, so no need to worry for that also. Now moving on to chapter number 13, that is hydrocarbons. In hydrocarbons, only and only these topics are reduced. First is the carcinogenicity and toxicity of benzene may be discussed. That topic is reduced. Now carcinogenicity means cancer causing elements of benzene. That toxicity of benzene is not discussed. Mechanism of electrophilic addition is not discussed. Corey-House synthesis reaction is not discussed. No need to discuss this name reaction. And occurrence, conformation, Sohorst and Newman projections of the ethane. Yeah, that's a very important topic. That is a Sohorst and Newman projection of ethane. But somehow they decrease this also. When that is a reduced topic. So this is benefited for us. That is the reduced one. Now if we talk about the aromatic hydrocarbons, all the topics will remain same. There is no any change in the aromatic hydrocarbons, and same with the environmental chemistry also. There is no change in this chapter, that is the environmental chemistry. So this is these red side topics are the reduced topics. Do one thing, just open the chapter number 1, mark the reduced ones only. Mark the reduced ones only to avoid any type of confusion at any time of your test in the school or any type of exam. Okay, in any type or in the final exam also, to revise these topics for the syllabus purpose or the theory purpose only. Okay, please mark these topics in your book. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all now, which are the reduced topics and what is your reduced syllabus. But if you are preparing for the competition exam, like for the IIT or NEET or any other competition exam, please do these topics. Do not skip them. Do not skip them, please. Okay, now thank you. Bye. Take care. Have a safe and healthy lifestyle.